Julian Gonzalez wrote "Mine doesn't show firmware" on one of my latest video about the RadioLink RC6. So this is how you find the firmware number on the RC6 and RC4. So I have a RC4GS and an RC6GS version 2. Both of them are version 2. Should be the same thing in version 1. So basically the only thing you do is you do turn it on. It'll bring you to there. You press exit and enter at the same time. You go to the language, hit enter, and it's right there, version 1.6. So this is on my 6 channel, and let's see on the 4 channel. You hit the 2 buttons, enter and exit at the same time. Brings up the menu. Hit enter. English version 6.1. So there you go. This is how to find which version you basically have on your RadioLink controller. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any more question about these radios, please don't be shy to ask, and I'll make sure and try to answer it as fast and promptly as possible. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And talk to you guys later.